In this video, I'm going to teach you how to export any Notion page as a PDF so you can share your work offline or keep a backup. This is super useful for reports, notes, or project documentation. Let's get started. Go to notion.so and sign into your account. Double check you're signed into the right workspace. Choose the page you want to export as a PDF, open it and make sure it's exactly how you want it to look. Click the three dots at the top right corner of the page. This will open up more page options. Choose Export from the drop-down options. A pop-up window will appear with export settings. In the export format, make sure to select PDF. This ensures your page will download as a PDF file. Now customize the other settings like whether to include sub-pages, the page content, the PDF format, and the scale %. Adjust these based on your needs. And that's how to export a Notion page as a PDF. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick Notion guides. See you next time!